you doing, guys?
This is Spanky.
Oh yeah, we love Spanky. He feeds us well.
I think some of y'all have been to my barbecue joint straight through the room.
All right. Good to see you guys. Good to see you.
You know, only my true friends I share the goodies with. So if you come up to the barbecue joint, that's the owner. He and his family owns the barbecue. So again, this evening.
I was gonna stop there before I could.
Oh, see, you didn't have to. All you had to do was ask me.
I know. In the country. Slap your mummy best. Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to tell you, it is what it is. I know how to pick them, right?
The greens are good too.
The greens are good, yeah. I know how to pick them. But Sam, I worked in retail. This mega yacht you see on the wall, the captain comes in. I sold him some clothes, but I'll talk to a pole if I knew it was listening. Next thing you know, I'm building his website. He introduces me to his mate, a realtor. I built his website, who a year later calls me in to help Sam out because he was an investor in their project. I built their website. 3-4 years pass, he calls me back. I come back in, and Sam has the hearing of an eagle's eyesight. I said, wow, look at all this space. You know, there's nothing but boxes around. And he turns to me and says, what? You need some space? Grabs the keys, takes me on a tour and says, pick a room. And I was like, this is possibly the only white man I've ever wanted to kiss.
He's a very good kisser.
Come here. Let's land this plane. So 4, 5, 6 years later, right? It seems here I am, here we are, and I want to say thank you all to my family, the Joneses, the Goffigans, and unfortunately other clients that couldn't make it. A lot of people I work with are in Tampa, Disney, or wherever else, and fortunately I enjoy what I do. Hopefully you all can see that, and thanks so much for coming through.
That was good, Spanky.
Yay, we appreciate you.
And the man brought some wings, so if anybody's in the mood for some goodies.
Yeah.
You said good.
Well, I'm gonna move back to the bar. You know, when you start eating, you want to start drinking.
No, I'm good. But I want to get a shot. I got your card.
Okay.
So remember me. And you got one that at the one last year. Angela Ryan.